Everybody's neat, just above the street, sing twiddly dee. Bird and bird, bird or two can play peek-a-boo on the avenue. On the bird and bird. Samuel's dance. Samuel, what is he doing? I don't know, sis. Let's ask him. Mr. Beekman? Mr. Beekman?
Hello, Samuel and Muffin.
What were you doing, Mr. Beekman? Shaky, shaky?
I was just practicing my dance before the dance party tonight.
Dance party?
That's right. There'll be music and lights, and every birdie in town will be doing their own special dance.
Muffin dance? Do the muffin! The muffin! Shake, shake, the muffin! Whee! That's great, Muffin. But I don't have a dance. What am I going to do at the party, Mr. Beekman?
You could always try the toucan twist.
What's the toucan twist?
I'm glad you asked. When I was young, not much older than you, I learned a dance any birdie can do. It's not too fast and it's not too slow, so come on, Samuel, and give it a go, like this. It's a toucan twist.
Like this?
Not quite.
Try again, Samuel.
Keep your feet steady up on the floor. Then twist and twist and twist some more. You'll soon be the twistingest bird in town. Now try to do it without falling down. Like this.
Like this?
It's a toucan twist. It's the gookiest, no one can resist doing the toucan twist.
Yeah!
Well, Samuel, perhaps the toucan twist isn't for you after all.
Does that mean I can't go to the dance party?
Oh, of course you can! You simply need to find your own special dance.
You're right, Mr. Beekman. There must be someone on Third and Bird who can help me. Come on, Muffin.
I know you'll find your dance.
Hi, Rudy. Rudy! Samuel! Muffin! I changed my hair for the dance. What do you think? Well, it's different. Stay down. Rudy's silly. Listen, Rudy. I really need to find a special dance for the party tonight. Can you help me? Of course I can, Samuel. I've been dancing since I was an egg. If you're having trouble moving to the beat, if it's a struggle staying on your feet, if you find it hard to learn something new, just follow me and do what I do. I'll try, hip both legs up, right from the hip, and with a little luck you'll do a backflip. Now hop all about like a kangaroo, just follow me and do what I do. It's a very nice dance, but I think it's too advanced. I don't think I can do what you do. Hey you three, maybe I can help with the choreography. Look at this, Samuel. Pretend you're made of metal, just like a robot. Take a jerky step or two, then stick to the spot. Turn and look around like you just lost a screw. Follow me and do what I do. It's a really good idea, but I fell on my wig, and I don't think I can do what you do. Bye, Samuel.
Bit of practice, you'll be fine. See you there.
Come on, Samuel. The dance is about to start. I've made up my mind, Rudy. I'm not going to the dance. What? Samuel, come. I tried and tried, but I just can't find my special dance. You two have a good time without me. Wait! We're not going unless you're going. Yeah! You can't give up, Samuel. Just take a chance and dance. I don't know. It's easy, Samuel. What's the worst that could happen tonight? I could fall on my bum, and you just might. But even so, you should give it a go. Take a chance and dance. But I've tried, and I can't do it. Of course you can, there's nothing to it. Just listen to the beat and let your body move. And before you know it, you get in the groove. Hey, look at me, I'm dancing. Yeah, you're getting there. All you have to do is follow the rhythm. You've got 2 feet, do something with them. I'll give it a shot, ready or not. I'll take a chance and dance. Take a chance, take a chance. Take a chance and dance. Take a chance, take a chance. Take a chance and dance. Here we are at the big dance. Make way for Rudy. Muffin dance, Muffin dance. I'm not sure I can do this, but I'll give it a try. Just listen to the beat and let your body move. And before you know it, you get in the groove. I'm dancing! I'm dancing! Oh dear. I didn't mean to do that. See, I was just dancing and I got too close to the record player and Samuel! That was brilliant! That was special! It was?
Do it again, Samuel. That sounds sweet. And you, Rudy Bird, drop me a beat. I want to tell a little story about Samuel and the dance he likes to do.
I see.
It's as easy as pie, so give it a try, and I bet you can do it too. Just shake your wings, rock back and forth like an egg that's about to hatch. It's a really smooth move that fits the groove. I call it the Samuel Scratch. The Samuel Scratch. The Samuel Scratch. The Samuel Scratch. The Samuel Scratch.
Samuel in the house.
Samuel representing
The Samuel Scratch.
Baby Jordan, jump, jump, jump like Jordan.